What's up, guys? We're back again. We're here at Pyramid Lake for the very first stocking of the season. Not exactly sure how many pounds they stocked, but it looked like a good amount. So let's go down there. We have somebody waiting for us already, so I can see people already down there. Let's go check it out. Dude, this is where I was the last time I slayed them. Got any? You know, you probably caught double limits by now, huh? Are you serious? Water's not cold enough?
No, it's probably like right at 70. There's a whole gang of them right in front of your jig right now.
I don't have my glasses.
Oh, no. Holy smokes. Here you come. I got that one. Like a regular jig head. Like a 16, 30 seconds, 64. How much split shot? You could do it on a split shot and jig it. That'll work too. Or drop shot it. Bouncing it.
It's not a sleigh fest like that one day. All right, we'll go with this nice blue color. Right in front of us too. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Finally, that took a minute. Not bad.
Are you keeping?
Yeah, I'm keeping. With times like these, you know, we need food. I'm just kidding. That's that new blue color I just made.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, hook jaw.
Damn good sized fish right there.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Did you bring extra jigs? That's like 2 1/4.
Yeah, I got some for you if you want to try them. You want to try one?
I'll try them in a bit.
All right. There you go, new color.
BBL style right here.
Oh God, Snack City.
Don't want this lobster, huh?
There we go. Are you keeping?
Yeah.
There we go. Finally.
You gotta make like every single pass through worth it over here.
All right. New color, white with sparkle. There's one. Just for the sake of it, man. If it's gonna be a hard day, I'm keeping. It's all right.
It's like the one I just caught.
It's a nice colored fish.
Like a pound. Like right under a pound.
Well, mission accomplished. Caught one with that jig. All right, one on the white one.
Yeah.
Finally got one after like, it was been a minute, man. Oh, not bad, not bad. This is one of the better ones. Yeah, it's not bad. Well, that guy's barely on by a thread. Yeah. You got 3 so far. Let's catch more. Alright, time to switch up. Go with something like that. Iridescent with some red flake. There we go. That seems about right. Yeah, everything that gets said here stays here.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Shit myself laughing.
Oh.
Summed them all up.
Am I recording? I am. Sick. Mike, can you net that guy?
No.
Kidding. Hey Mike, you want to reel this one in for me?
Oh. Whoever that was, I'm sorry.
Come here. Four on the stringer. Nah, they turned. What color are you using? Oh, the one you were using at Castaic?
No.
There he is. Damn. Dude, I'm burning my face here. Oh, there it is. That one darted. Is that a good keeper size? But it's hard, man. It's hard. It's gonna be hard.
Well,
It's actually a good size, man. That's not bad.
I mean, for you, I mean, because these are, that's not.
But those are picky, man.
I'm just saying, you asked me.
I know.
And I'm telling you what I think. You're like,
I'm indecisive, bro.
I was like, I'm telling you.
Nah, it's a good one. I'll keep it.
We're getting them on power bait over here. Right on the other side, in this corner. Yeah. So those fish that he said are
Oh. Does your uncle want this one? Hey. Oh. Mike, you want this one?
Alright, I have at least one fish for you.
You caught one?
I caught 2 already.
What happened to the other one?
I let it go because it was your size.
You mean good?
I mean your size, exactly.
You got it on the upper lip.
Yeah.
Quick set. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, man. Of course. All right, guys. We're leaving Pyramid Lake, California. We ended up getting limits, catching limits, and it was an okay day. The water is a lot warmer than what I thought. The air temperature is definitely cooler, but I give it maybe a couple weeks more before this bike turns on fully. My last trip here was pretty eventful. I caught limits within an hour. If anything, I caught limits within 10 minutes. But today was definitely a lot slower. Fish were very lethargic. They would turn at your lure, but they wouldn't really commit. So definitely a struggle, but we'll keep coming back, checking in. Stay tuned. There's a lot more trout fishing videos coming. SoCal's just getting started. Our opener isn't official until maybe a week or two from now. Most of the lakes will be stocking heavily. So if you guys are from Southern California, be sure to go to your lake and check out the fishing. On a different note, this is a giveaway video. I will be giving out this kit, and yeah, all you got to do to enter is leave a comment, be subscribed, and give this video a like, and yeah, you guys will be entered into the giveaway, which I will announce on the 14th. So stay tuned, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.